How to fix no speaker or headphones are plugged in Windows 10. So to fix, click on Start and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right click on Realtek Audio. Click on Update Driver. Firstly select first option. If it not work, so try Update Driver and now select second option. Let me pick from a list and select here Realtek Audio. If this method is not work, so try second method. So now right click on Realtek Audio and click on Properties, select Driver and click on Uninstall Device. Click on Uninstall and restart your PC. After restart, this problem will be fixed. If this method is not work, so try second method. Firstly click on Start, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. It will ask permission, so click on Yes. Now in here you need to copy and paste this two command. This is the first command. I will give in description both. So copy and paste here. Press enter. The command completed successfully. Now copy this second command and paste here. Now press enter. Now close it and restart your PC. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.